From now on, I will only cook my chicken this way. It's super easy and tastes incredibly delicious. Let's start by adding 5 chicken drumsticks in a pan, together with 500 ml of milk. Add as well 150 ml of water, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of black pepper. Mix well and leave it to cook on medium heat for 15 minutes. If you like our recipes and want to be sure to receive them, comment below "I like." This way, Facebook will notify you as soon as we post a new video. When the chicken is cooked, turn the heat off and set the pan aside. In a bowl, add 3 tablespoons of flour, 3 tablespoons of breadcrumbs, 1 teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of mild paprika, and 1 teaspoon of oregano. Mix everything well. Write in the comments where you're watching us from so that I can personally thank you for keep on following our recipes. Mix the ingredients and set the bowl aside. In another bowl, add 2 eggs and 50 ml of milk. Whisk well. Now we just need to take the chicken drumsticks we previously cooked, dip them into the egg mixture, and then into the seasoned flour. In a pan on medium heat, warm up 1 liter of oil. Start frying the chicken drumsticks. As they have already been cooked, it will only take a few minutes. Then soak up the excess oil with some paper towel. And our recipe is done, ready to be enjoyed. Our chicken drumsticks are super juicy on the inside and crunchy on the outside. Incredibly tasty. I hope you liked